Welcome to BatchGuru series of videos. In this series, we're going to talk about BatchGuru and different tools that it offers. First, let's talk about what BatchGuru is. BatchGuru is a collection of integrated tools that extend relativity by placing a wide range of controls in the hands of end users. While that statement is perfectly clear to someone who used BatchGuru, if you've never seen it before, it may not be so clear. So let's talk a little bit more in depth. BatchGuru picks up where transform sets left off. If you use transform sets, you know how they work. You have some data going in and data coming out. BatchGuru follows the same idea. You choose data that you want to feed into the tool, and then some result comes out and gets stored into a field or exported to a file system. Main purpose of BatchGuru is to perform data manipulations. So for example, we can format dates, we can generate custom hash values, we can even export files to a server, or we can extend functionality of a production tool to automatically generate fields that are required, for example, for SEC. And the best part about doing data manipulation right within Relativity is you don't have to export data out to Concordance or Excel and tinker around in there. You get to do everything inside Relativity. And this overall results in a better user experience and more consistent results. Before you fall asleep listening to me how great BatchGuru is, let me actually show you how it works so that you can understand it better. I'm going to go to Relativity and I'm going to use this tool as an example. I'm going to take a date time field and I'm going to format it to a different format and save results in another field. This is the field we're looking to format, which is date sent. I am going to click on BatchGuru, and here you see all the tools that are included with BatchGuru, and I will go to date format tool. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to create a new set or a new batch. Going to call it set4, and I will choose my data source. In this case, we're going to select saved search that contains documents that we want to format. And all the BatchGuru tools will follow the same format: name, saved search, input field, output field. So let's select our input field or the source field, which is going to be date sent. Next, we'll choose which date format we want to use, and I'm going to just pick a random one that you can easily see that the formatting has actually been applied. And finally, I will select where do I want to write out results to. So we'll choose BG custom date. I'm going to save this. And now I'm going to click on run batch. And what will happen is this batch will be sent off to the server, and server will pick up this job and start working on it. So you could have multiple batches going at the same time. And now we see that the agent has finished working with this batch. It only took 2 seconds. So let's go back to documents and see what the results are. And here are the results. The field got formatted and saved into another text field. So now if you have international reviewers or people who want to see date and time in a different format that makes more sense to them, this is easier to understand. As you saw before, the job was actually handled by an agent. So that means this is scalable. The more agents you add, the more concurrent jobs you can run. And as your environment grows, you can add more and more agents, and you can dedicate an agent server to just BatchGuru. So in case job crashes or it's very heavy on the server, it doesn't affect the rest of the environment. BatchGuru is customizable. Each tool we've seen is an RDO, or relativity object. That means you can display or hide it as you wish, and you can give certain people access to tools or take them away. And you can add agents as you need to with no limit. And something that's very important to a lot of companies, it's secure. So each tool is an RDO, so it follows same security that Relativity uses, and you can change permissions, who can run the batch or who can modify settings. And we can also lock down which fields BatchGuru has access to and where it can write to, so that you don't accidentally overwrite important metadata field. When you're running multiple shifts or having multiple analysts working on projects, repeatable results are the key. You don't know if one person is going to forget a field or update a field differently. With BatchGuru, you can save your batches, and then you just have to change your saved search you're running documents on and run it again. So if a third shift person comes in, all they have to do is just do that and they're going to get exactly the same results as a second shift person got. Where do you get BatchGuru? Well, you can purchase it from me. You can contact me at nick@hashtaglegal.com and I'll be happy to set you up with a trial version. Also, you can get BatchGuru with vDiscovery. If you hosting data with a vendor now, you can host it with vDiscovery and BatchGuru will be included free of charge. I hope this BatchGuru intro was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll talk about each individual tool in depth. Thank you for watching.